If you recognize what this is, then you know that ignoring it may cause problems like this, and God forbid this. Heat cable is a great way to deal with ice dams, but until now, there's never been a reliable way to install it on certain roof types like membranes, metal, concrete, tiles, and slate. If you have heat cable to install on a flat roof like TPO or rubber membrane, on enameled steel or galvanized steel, or even a natural slate roof, the DDK is the answer. And bonus, there isn't a better option out there for installing heat cable in open downspouts. Keep your cable safe and secure so it can help avoid problems like this. Yikes. Install is a breeze. Clean the surface, butter up the clip with some adhesive, and smush it into position. After the adhesive dries, just set your cable and pinch the cradle with your fingers or pliers. Made of black anodized aluminum, the DDK comes in both single and double cradle models to handle a wide variety of applications. When paired with Heat Tape Pro, you can put your ice dam problems behind you.